Hey guys, Dan here from VX411. Today in front of me I have a 2010 Camry, and in this video I will show you how we do the ammo delete on a Denso ECU ammo off. This car, when you put the ignition on, the security light should light up over here on the dash. It doesn't. You can probably see the security right there, but nothing's blinking. Me putting ignition on off, nothing's blinking. And comment on these: when you start the car, it might crank over and start, but it won't start and continue run. It's very common. There's an immobilizer under the dash, under the heater core, that you have to take out and then replace the immobilizer unit. Now that's a lot of work. This old car is not worth the money, and this customer decided to do the ammo delete. He already took it to the dealer diagnosed it, and of course found that immobilizer system is bad, ammo unit needs to be replaced, and of course literally this thing needs to remove the dash over here, it says. So of course, per dealer quote, it's only $1,000 just to remove the dash, and then extra money to get the rest of the parts going and sold. So I will show you how we do ammo delete on Denso ECU. So I'll remove the computer and connect it and show you. If you see, I have this ECU opened up just for you to see. It does have an EEPROM, and deleting the ammo from EEPROM alone does not work, so you have to read the NEC processor. Pretty hard one because there's no pins around, just to get this flash deleted. All right, I got my ECU out of the car, got it all connected. These pinouts for Denso ECUs are all different, so this is the pinout we followed according to all data. And then obviously we got our programmer connected, and then we're just reading it and then modifying the file, and then ammo deleting the file and then writing into it. All right, after we read and pre-programmed the ECU, let's give it a shot. And if you can see, we power the ignition, and when you look at this security light, it still doesn't light up because obviously the ECU is bad for the immobilizer, or the computer for the immobilizer bad. So we just deleted the engine computer, so it's not even gonna look for your immobilizer just to start the car. Otherwise the dash would have had to be out and doing all that, replacing the immobilizer, and then of course programming the key. So ammo delete, let me power the ignition, and if you can see, boom, the car runs. Obviously we gotta check engine light, we gotta clear, and obviously we also have to put the ECU together. So if you need this service, link below in description or at the end of the video, or you can just go directly to Karman with a K, K-A-R-M-A-N auto.com, and we can do the Toyota and Lexus vehicles ammo delete. So ammo delete Toyota and Lexus vehicles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.